Identification of calcium ion. This is today's lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to identify calcium ion in its solution. So let's begin. Identification of calcium ion. Test number 1. Dry test. Dry test is flame test. In flame test, calcium metal produces brick red color. Calcium metal produces brick red color in flame. It has been discussed in detail in the previous lesson. Now, let us see weight test. For this, let us take 2-3 milliliter solution of calcium salt. Calcium salt, suppose calcium chloride. Solution of calcium ion. We need another solution. Solution of calcium oxalate. This is solution of calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate is soluble in water. Now, 2-3 milliliter of calcium oxalate solution is added to the solution of calcium ion. That is solution of calcium salt, suppose calcium chloride. With the addition of ammonium oxalate solution, here white precipitate is observed. White precipitate is formed when calcium oxalate solution is added to the solution of calcium 2 plus ion. This white precipitate proves the presence of calcium 2 plus ion in the solution. Now, let us see reaction that forms white precipitate. Here, solution of calcium 2 plus ion, suppose calcium chloride. Solution of calcium chloride, in which solution of ammonium oxalate is added. Solution of ammonium oxalate. Then calcium oxalate is formed. Which is insoluble in water. That is, calcium oxalate deposits as white precipitate. Here, byproduct is ammonium chloride, which is soluble in water. This white precipitate of calcium oxalate proves the presence of calcium ion in the solution. Presence of calcium ion is proved by the white precipitate of calcium oxalate. Now let us see why this is soluble in water and calcium oxalate is insoluble in water. Here, calcium oxalate, ammonium ion, Now, calcium oxalate, calcium 2 plus charge. Here, single charge. So, in this case, less lattice energy and no polarization because of the single charge of ammonium ion. So, ammonium oxalate remains ionic in nature. Ammonium oxalate is ionic in nature because of the single charge of ammonium ion. Here, less lattice energy and no polarization occurs. Almost no polarization occurs. For this reason, ammonium oxalate is mostly ionic in nature, but in case of calcium oxalate, here high charge, 2 plus charge. So in this case, we can say that higher lattice energy, and in this case, polarization occurs because of the high charge of calcium ion, and as a result, calcium oxalate achieves covalency. Calcium oxalate achieves covalent nature. For this reason, calcium oxalate is insoluble in water, and as it is insoluble in water, calcium oxalate deposits as precipitate, white precipitate. This white precipitate proves the presence of calcium ion in the solution. Identification of calcium ion. Thank you for watching.